Hey guys, up next, our Great Plains seeders. So yes, we also have seeders available that we can back up and support. So our Great Plains drills, made over in the States, available in quite a few different variations. So this one is getting ready to go out to one of our customers up here in Bathurst. So this is our Great Plains 1300. So this is our trailing 13-foot drill. This is a Mintil machine, so it doesn't have our disc coulters at the front. This just has double disc openers at the front, which we'll go around the back and have a bit of a look at the moment, but all mechanical. So there's no electronics on these drills. They're going to last you, they're well built and going to last you a long period of time. So, and available in a lot of different widths. So we can go from a 6-foot unit up to bigger than this if you need to as well. So lots of variations in the Great Plains lineup to suit your needs. So we go from 3-pot linkage mounted machines to these trailing units up into a big Spartan air drill if we need to, plus some vertical tillers that we've done a video that you've seen before. So a very, very good range of tillage equipment available through the lineup at the Great Plains. These are just stabilizers for the front drawbar, but we've got at the back, so we've got our double disc opener under there as well. So seed drops right at the bottom of those double discs that are opening. Fertilizer, and then we've got our small seed as well. So three box on there, and then we've got our press wheels on the back. So after the discs have opened it, drop the seed in, our wheels at the back are just pushing seed to soil contact for better germination rates, and then our scrapers on the back of the wheels as well. So if it's a little bit sticky conditions, we're always going to keep the press wheels clean. Other thing while we're down here as well, very easy to change the working depth or the seed bed depth of this machine as well. So these little adjustments on the back here, so that's just on a working scale. All that does is control the amount of lift on these press wheels here. So this press wheel actually controls how deep the discs go into the ground for planting. So if you only want a shallow working depth, I'll move this facer back, and that wheel will only come up so much. So it's a very easy way to control seed depth, and it also allows you to customize different rows effectively. So if you've got tractor like tread marks, wheel marks from the tractors, and you need a little bit more pressure down on the ground, we can customize each one of these rows individually behind the tractor, so you're going to get really good consistent germination across the full working width of the machine. You can see up here, so this is standard. So we've got our rail kit up on the back, so it's very easy to jump up on this machine, refill all the seed and stuff if we need to. So you can see on this one, very, very big. So we've got our main seed box at the front, we've got our fertilizer at the back, and then our small seed box, which just need an agitator bar put in there still. So big small seed box on the back of the machine as well. So as I've mentioned, lots of variations. This is just one of. They're all built on the same principle. So we can go from a full no-till machine to this Mintil machine. So no-till have the coulter at the front to slice the ground before the seed comes through to prepare for a seed bed, through to the Mintil. So if you're prepare the ground or if it's a bit softer, you can just run through the ground with one of these minimum till machines, and just be known with the mechanical, very good setup on this machine, you'll get a very good germination and consistency of seed bed depth that you're planting no matter what you're running through. Beautiful. So as you can see, we do have another drill down the end as well we might go and take a look at, just to show you the difference between the no-till. So this one's got no coulters on the front, to the other one, which is a 3-pot linkage mounted, but we'll show you the coulter setup on the front if you're doing a full no-till application. All right guys, this is our no-till machine. So very similar, so 1006 NT, 10 foot, 6-inch row spacings, and no-till machine. So this is going to be a trailing unit. If it had a 3P in front of it, so we can get it in a 3-pot linkage towed machine as well if need be. Otherwise this has just arrived, but it will have a tow hitch on the front for a trailing unit. But I just thought I'd show you quickly the differences between this and the other one. So this one has these big coulter discs at the front. Their purpose effectively is just to cut the ground. So it'll slice through the ground vertically. It is in a way, the discs have a wave pattern across them. So you see they're a wave sort of pattern, so they're fluted. So they'll go down vertical into the ground. And then as they lift the soil a bit, just to give you a really good preparation for the seed bed to come through. So after the discs have come through, slice the ground, made a nice seed bed, then the double disc openers at the back. Behind that, come in, hold the ground open just to drop the seed in, and then again press wheels on the back to come down and give nice seed to soil bed contact as well for nice good germination. So again, if you're looking for a really solid, nice mechanical drill, these machines are very accurate with their drive system, very easy to calibrate as well, and going to last a very long time for you. So again, no matter what your application is, please come down to the Bathurst shop or give us a yell. We have a very good range of drills available to suit everyone's tractor, budget, and what you're trying to achieve.